this is Andrew with the West Union Library, and I'm just here with you again for another virtual story time. And today we are going to be reading Up on Bob. Okay, so it's about a cute little kitty cat and an old wiener dog. Okay, so let's see what they get into. Okay, so it's called Up on Bob. Okay, this is Bob. Okay, so this guy right here is Bob. Up on the bed, Bob has work to do. The work is hard, but Bob does not mind. Bob likes hard work. Hard work pays off. There, now everything is perfect. Now Bob can sleep all day. Uh-oh. Suddenly everything is not perfect. Looks like we got some company up here in the corner. Someone is watching Bob. Bob cannot sleep if someone is watching. Lay still, Bob. Pretend you are sleeping. Maybe someone will go away. It don't look like they're going to go away. Is someone leaving? Is someone gone? Pounce! Bob looks pretty terrified. Up on Bob. Someone has work to do. The work is hard, but someone does not mind. Someone likes hard work. Hard work pays off. There. Now everything is perfect. Okay? Now Bob can sleep all day. Okay? So he was just missing his little buddy, right? Just missing his little cat buddy. So that was Up on Bob, okay, so I think it kind of shows that even maybe sometimes if somebody can get on your nerves, you know, that it can still be, you know, really cool to be around that person. So that was Up on Bob. For the craft today, we're going to be doing a paper dog. And I did something a little bit different this time. I actually have a video of the instructions for the craft. So it'll be in the link below. There'll be a link in the description. It'll just say craft, and then you can go to that and watch that video. And you don't have to make it exactly how the video makes it. You know, whatever you have you can use. So just try and make yourself a paper dog. Okay? And for the song, we are going to be doing Bingo. So everybody knows Bingo, and it's a video too, and it'll be also in the link in the description below the video. And that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that you guys are all staying safe and you know, staying healthy, and I hope you have a wonderful day.